Hello students, today we will solve some more important identities. Our first identity is tan theta plus sec theta minus 1 upon tan theta minus sec theta plus 1 equal to 1 plus sin theta upon cos theta, right? So taking LHS tan theta plus sec theta minus 1 upon tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. Now in this question there is no identity can be applied, so to put we will want to put the value of 1 from the identity. We know that sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. So value of 1, this value of 1 we will put here. Then we get tan theta plus sec theta. Value of 1 is sec square theta minus tan square theta, right? Upon this is tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. Now this is tan theta plus sec theta in one bracket, and here sec square theta minus tan square theta. This is a form of a square minus b square, means it can be written in one bracket as a sum and another in as a difference. So we can write as it rise at sec theta plus tan theta and another bracket sec theta minus tan theta upon this is tan theta minus sec theta and plus 1, right? Now this is tan theta plus sec theta, taking as a common from this vector is common, sec theta plus tan theta and sec theta plus tan theta, this vector is common, so taking it as a common, then rest in bracket 1 minus sec theta minus tan theta upon this is tan theta minus sec theta and plus 1. Now this is tan theta plus sec theta and in bracket 1 minus, when we multiply minus sign inside the bracket, then we get 1 minus sec theta plus tan theta, right? Upon this is tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. Now we can see here one positive, this one is positive, and in denominator this is also positive. Sec theta is negative, here sec theta is negative, tan theta is positive and tan theta is positive, means this quantity and this quantity is same, so this will be cancelled to each other, and then rest is tan theta plus sec theta, right? Now so this is tan theta and sec theta. Now we will convert these two functions into cos and sine functions. So tan theta can be written as sine theta upon cos theta, and sec theta is written as 1 upon cos theta. Now taking cos theta as a LCM, so this is LCM is cos, our LCM is cos theta, and here sin theta plus 1. It can be also written as 1 plus sin theta upon cos theta. Hence proof LHS equal to LHS equal to RHS. Hence proved. Now our next identity is prove that cot A plus sec cosec A minus 1 upon cot A plus cosec minus cosec A plus 1 equal to 1 plus cos A upon sin A, 1 plus cos A upon sin A, or cosec A plus cot A. Now in this question, taking left hand side LHS, cot A plus cosec A minus 1 upon cot A minus cosec A plus 1. Now in this identity we have to prove cosec A plus cot A, or 1 plus cos A upon sin A. So here cosec A plus cot A means this cosec A plus cot A should be as a common. It means this when this one is eliminated by the identity, third identity cosec square A minus cot square A equal to 1. So this one can be eliminated by this identity. When we eliminate this one by this identity, then we can apply the identity A square minus B square. Then after we can take cot A plus cosec as a common, and the rest is cancelled to each other, then we get this, right? So we put the value of 1 in this condition, then we get cot A plus cosec A, cot A plus cosec A minus value of 1 is cosec square A minus cot square A, right, upon cot A minus cosec A plus 1. Now cot A plus cosec A in one bracket, and this is an identity which can be written as cosec A plus cot A in one bracket and cosec A minus cot A in other bracket upon cot A minus cot. cot A minus cosec A plus 1. Now taking cot A plus cosec A common from the numerator, then we get cot A plus cosec A as a common, and in bracket 1 minus, this is cosec A minus cot A upon cot A minus cosec A plus 1. Now cot A plus cosec A and multiplied by minus sign inside the bracket, then we get minus cosec A and plus cot A upon, this is cot A minus cosec A and plus 1. So this quantity and this quantity both are same, so these are cancelled to each other, then we get cot A plus cosec A. So this is LHS equal to RHS, and its next part is, now convert these two functions into sine and cos functions. So cot A, you know, this is a ratio of cos A upon sine A, and cosec A is a ratio of 1 upon sine A. So taking LCM sine A, so this is cos A plus 1. So it can be also written as, this is 1 plus cos A upon sine A. So LHS equal to RHS, hence proved. Our next identity is prove that sine theta upon cot theta plus cosec theta equal to 2 plus sine theta upon cot theta minus cosec theta. Now in this identity, we should use some technique. So due to this, transfer this term towards left side, then we get sine theta upon cot theta plus cosec theta, and transfer this term towards left side, then we get minus sine theta upon cot theta minus cosec theta equal to 2. Now this question can be changed in this form. Then taking LHS equal to sine theta upon cot theta plus cosec theta minus sine theta upon cot theta minus cosec theta. Taking sine theta as a common, then we get 1 upon cot theta plus cosec theta and minus 1 upon cot theta minus cosec theta. Now taking LCM and solve. So this is sin theta, taking LCM. So here LCM is cot theta plus cosec theta into cot theta minus cosec theta minus cosec. So here cot theta minus cosec theta minus cot theta minus cosec theta, right? Now cot theta and cot theta both are of opposite signs, so these are cancelled to each other. Then we get sin theta into minus of 2 times of cosec theta, right? Upon, this is a form of a plus b and a minus b, so this can be written as cot square theta minus cosec square theta. So value of this identity cot square theta minus cosec square theta is minus 1. So this is sin theta into cosec theta into minus 2 upon this is minus 1. So this minus 1 minus cancel, and this is 2 into sin theta, and this cosec theta is written as 1 upon sin theta, right? So sin theta cancel, so this is 2. So this is LHS equal to RHS, hence root. Now our next identity is prove that cosec theta minus sin theta into sec theta minus cos theta equal to 1 upon tan theta plus cot theta. Taking LHS cosec theta minus sin theta and sec theta minus cos theta. Now cosec theta is written as 1 upon sin theta minus sin theta, and this is 1 upon cos theta minus cos theta. Taking LCM and solve. So LCM is sin theta, and here 1 minus sin square theta, and in this bracket 1 minus cos square theta upon cos theta. So this is 1 minus sin square theta means cos square theta from identity first upon sin theta, and 1 minus cos square theta is 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta. So this is sin square theta upon cos theta. Now this sin theta cancel this power and this cos theta cancel this power. So the rest is sin theta into cos theta. It can be written as upon 1. So we can So this sin theta into cos theta upon 1, this one can be written as sin square theta plus cos square theta from first identity. So this can be written as sin theta into cos theta upon sin square theta plus cos square theta upon 1. Now this quantity sin theta into cos theta goes under sin square theta plus cos square theta. Then we get 1 upon sin square theta plus cos square theta upon sin theta into cos theta. Now we separate this, then we get 1 upon sin square theta upon sin theta into cos theta plus cos square theta upon sin theta into cos theta. Now this sin theta cancel this power and this cos theta cancel this power. So this is 1 upon sin theta upon cos theta plus cos theta upon sin theta. So this is 1 upon, this ratio is sin theta upon cos theta will become tan theta and this ratio will become cot theta. So this is LHS equal to RHS, hence verified. Thank you students.